Welcome back, travelers. Today, we're heading to one of the most vibrant and enchanting cities in the world, Marrakech, Morocco, known as the Red City. Marrakech is a fascinating blend of rich history, colorful markets, stunning architecture, and breathtaking gardens. In this video, I'll take you through 7 of the most beautiful and unforgettable places you absolutely must visit when exploring this magical destination. From lively souks to serene palaces, each stop has its own charm that will leave you inspired and amazed. So, pack your curiosity, and let's dive into the wonders of Marrakech. Seven, Koutoubia Mosque. In the heart of Marrakech, rising gracefully above the city's red-walled Medina, stands the Koutoubia Mosque, an enduring symbol of Morocco's history, artistry, and devotion. Known also as the Kutubiyya, this 12th century masterpiece was commissioned by the Almohad Caliph Yaqub al-Mansur, and it remains the largest mosque in Marrakech to this day. The mosque's most striking feature is its minaret, soaring more than 70 meters into the sky, a beacon of both faith and architecture, built from warm-hued stone that glows under the Moroccan sun. The tower is adorned with intricate geometric patterns and delicate arches, reflecting the elegance of Almohad design. It is said that the minaret once guided desert caravans for miles away, its presence marking the heart of the city long before modern skylines. The very name Kutubiyya comes from the Arabic word for booksellers. For centuries ago, the surrounding square was filled with stalls of manuscript merchants. It was a place where scholars and storytellers mingled, and where the mosque stood not only as a house of prayer, but as a center of learning and culture. 6. The Secret Garden. Tucked away in the heart of Marrakech's bustling Medina lies a place of rare serenity. Le Jardin secret, the Secret Garden. Beyond the narrow, lively streets and the hum of the souks, you step through an unassuming doorway and suddenly find yourself in a different world. This garden is a story of contrast, a dialogue between chaos and calm, between centuries of history and the timeless rhythm of nature. The Secret Garden has its roots in the Saadian dynasty, more than 400 years ago, when it was once part of a grand palace. Over time, the palace crumbled and the space fell into neglect. But like the city itself, it was never truly lost. In recent years, through meticulous restoration, the garden has been revived, not only as a historical site, but as a living, breathing sanctuary. What makes this place remarkable is its design. It follows the traditional Islamic garden layout, where water is at the very heart. Elegant channels divide the space, feeding fountains and nourishing a tapestry of greenery. The Secret Garden is not simply a place to admire, it is a place to feel. It's about slowing down, letting the colors, the sounds, and the sense of Marrakech wash over you. 5. El-Badi. This is el-Badi Palace, the incomparable. Built in the late 16th century by Sultan Ahmad al-Mansur of the Saadian dynasty. The palace was conceived as a symbol of power, wealth, and refined taste, meant to dazzle ambassadors, merchants, and visiting dignitaries who set foot in Morocco. When it was completed, el-Badi was a marvel of its age. The Sultan spared no expense, importing Italian marble, Indian onyx, and gold from Sudan. Legend says it had more than 300 rooms, lavishly decorated with intricate mosaics, carved cedarwood, and fountains that whispered through lush gardens. Imagine standing in the central courtyard, vast and symmetrical, its orange groves and pools reflecting the brilliance of Moroccan artistry. But time, as always, is unforgiving. In the 17th century, when power shifted to a new dynasty, the palace was stripped of its treasures. Marble was carried away to adorn other buildings, the gilded ceilings dismantled, the luxury scattered. Badi Palace is no longer about its lost riches. It is about presence, memory, and the poetry of ruins. It invites visitors to imagine, to reconstruct with their minds the magnificence that once was. Four, the Bahia Palace. Built in the late 19th century, this grand palace was intended to be the most magnificent of its time, a true symbol of wealth and influence. The name Bahia itself means brilliance, and as you wander through its courtyards, gardens, and halls, it becomes clear why. The palace is a masterpiece of Moroccan architecture, blending intricate tilework, carved cedarwood, and delicate stucco that play with light and shadow. Each room seems to tell a different tale, some designed as private chambers, others as reception halls for dignitaries and royal guests. The spaces are surprisingly varied. Modest, intimate quarters sit alongside vast, decorated salons that echo with grandeur. But what makes Bahia Palace truly magical is its atmosphere. Sunlight pours into the courtyards, bouncing off zealage tiles in shades of blue and green, while the fragrance of orange blossoms drifts from the surrounding gardens. As you move through the palace, you feel a rhythm in its design, a harmony between the indoors and outdoors, a deliberate weaving together of art and nature. Visiting Bahia Palace is like walking into a living canvas of Moroccan artistry, a place where history, culture, and craftsmanship meet, leaving every visitor with a sense of awe. 3. Saadian Tombs. Hidden behind the walls of Marrakech, tucked away in a quiet corner near the Koutoubia Mosque, lie the Saadian Tombs, a resting place that feels more like a jewel box than a cemetery. For centuries, these tombs remained sealed off from the world, forgotten and untouched, until their rediscovery in 1917. The Saadian Tombs date back to the late 16th century, during the reign of Sultan Ahmed al-Mansur, one of Morocco's most powerful and ambitious rulers. He spared no expense in crafting his dynasty's final resting place. Inside, you'll find halls adorned with Italian Carrara marble, intricate cedarwood carvings, and stunning zealage tile work. But beyond the grandeur, the tombs carry a sense of quiet reverence. Sunlight filters gently through carved lattice windows, casting shadows that dance across the mosaics. The gardens outside, filled with orange trees and roses, soften the atmosphere, reminding visitors that this is not just a monument, but a place of peace, memory, and respect. 2. The Ben Youssef Madrasa. Tucked away in the heart of Marrakech's Old Medina lies one of Morocco's most breathtaking treasures, the Ben Youssef Madrasa. This centuries-old Islamic college is not just a building. It is a living memory of Morocco's golden age of art, knowledge, and devotion. Stepping through its humble entrance, you suddenly find yourself in a world of astonishing beauty. The madrasa was founded in the 14th century and later rebuilt by the Saadian dynasty in the 16th century, reaching the height of its splendor under Sultan Abdullah al-Ghalib. What makes the Ben Youssef Madrasa so captivating is the artistry that surrounds you at every step. The central courtyard, with its serene reflecting pool, is framed by exquisite stucco carvings, intricate zealage tile work, and finely crafted cedarwood. Verses of the Quran, carved in flowing Arabic script, decorate the walls, reminding visitors that this was not only a place of learning, but also of deep spiritual reflection. Today, the Ben Youssef Madrasa is no longer an active school, but remains one of Marrakech's most cherished monuments. It is a place where travelers can pause and feel connected to centuries of history, where the spirit of scholarship and artistry still lingers in every stone. One, Jemaa el-Fna Square. Jemaa el-Fna Square, the vibrant soul of Marrakech. By day, the square feels like a sprawling stage of Moroccan life. Snake charmers play haunting tunes, henna artists weave delicate designs, and herbalists display jars filled with remedies passed down through generations. The air is filled with a mix of spices, leather, and the distant rhythm of drums drifting from nearby souks. But as the sun dips behind the ochre walls of the old Medina, Jemaa el-Fna transforms into something even more magical. Stalls spring to life, lanterns flicker, and the square becomes an open-air banquet of Moroccan flavors. Aromatic taginess, sizzling skewers, and freshly squeezed orange juice. Crowds gather around storytellers, acrobats, and musicians, keeping alive an oral tradition so rich that UNESCO declared the square a masterpiece of World Heritage. It's chaotic yet captivating, overwhelming yet enchanting. A place where every corner tells a story, every sound feels like music, and every scent draws you deeper into its spell. Jemaa el-Fna isn't just a square. It's the beating heart of Marrakech, a living theater of culture that never seems to rest. And that wraps up our journey through 7 beautiful and must-visit places in Marrakech, Morocco. From the vibrant souks to the stunning gardens and historical gems, this city truly has a magical charm that leaves every traveler inspired. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe for more travel adventures, and share it with anyone who dreams of exploring Marrakech. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep wandering, keep exploring, and keep discovering the beauty our world has to offer. See you in the next one.